Chuck wants a cuddle Jurassic Park hat. Chuck wants a cuddle so badly, but so does wee Alfie. They're struggling. Poppy would like a cuddle, but she'd like them to clear out the way. You can see her just protesting round me. You want cuddles, do you? Oh, wee man's rolling on me like I'm a fox poo in a field. Smurf's been rolling next to me. I see you. Wee man, I see you. Oh, these might be the best dogs in the world. And these are the best dogs. Come here for a little cuddle. Jake, do you want one? Oh, I'm coming. All right, princess. Oh no, face lick. Right. Oh no. Man down.